Hi there, welcome back. So another weekly setup from me, and this week I'm testing myself and coming away. If you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know that I like boxes. So I've decided this week just to go with no boxes. Let's see how that feels. I've already put my calendar in because I can't speak while I'm doing that because I have to concentrate too much. So yeah, that one I put in before I started videoing to save you the silence. I do like having it in, but it obviously takes a bit of time to do. So this is my final week for September. I never quite know which way to play it when you've got, so this will be the 21st to the 27th, and then obviously the following week will be 3 days September, 4 days October. How do you do it? Do you start your new month at the point a new month shows in a week, regardless of what day of the week it is? Or do you, yeah, because I've got the choice, but decided that this would be my final week, and even though September spills into the next week, I'm going to start my new month. So this is chopped up washi tape. Got the roll of washi tape here, and just chop this up for my days of the week. Pop this in. So I'm fairly new to bullet journaling. I started in June, so only a few months in really, so still trying different things out and figuring out what works for me. I do refer to my style as minimalist because I literally use coloured pens and washi tape to decorate. I'm not someone who can draw very well. I've been playing about with some doodling offline, but yeah, not something I'm brilliant at. But I find because I use just washi and colour, that my spreads tend to come together quite quickly. Use a different colour on that. Go with this one. And I've got quite a large stash of washi, so almost got a colour for every occasion. However, I always find it a good excuse to buy new washi. Put this one in over here. And then these up here. So the main things in each of my spreads that I like are obviously days of the week. I like meal planning, and I have what I call a don't forget box, so that's anything that doesn't fit in another box on the page effectively. So now I'm going to go in the month in. Oh, it's going to be a squeeze. I knew that would happen. I put the pencil in first, but I find with mild liners, if you write over pencil, it doesn't erase properly. So I took it out. Okay, and then just quickly go in with, I found a good pen that writes on washi. This one. It doesn't smudge either, it's really good. So days of the week. As I say, I'm used to, I like boxes. I'll show you some of my previous. So I do like my boxes normally, but I thought I'd try something different and see how it feels. Just for something a little bit. Don't want to use the same setup every week. There we go. I'll rub out the pencil off camera because my camera is actually attached to my desk, and I start rubbing out, I'm going to make you dizzy. Little sticker here that I liked, so that can go in there. It says, "Don't stop until you're proud." I like that. It's a little sticker. And there we go, that's it really. No time drawing. You see this pen doesn't smear, which is great. No time on drawing boxes and what have you for this setup, which I particularly like. I like the week. There we go. So I hope you've enjoyed watching. My next videos will be based on starting to build my October monthly, so keep an eye out for those. Subscribe if you don't want to miss those, and I will see you very soon. Take care.